Hi, let's recreate this slide with me. So first, let's add a background picture here. Let's add it from this device if you already have it. Now, for this picture, I downloaded it from FreePic. Now, when you're done, you can add a text box here. Now, let's type our content here. Let's type FIFA World Cup 2026. Now, let's middle align it like that. Change the font type. And let's click very loose here. And you can adjust the font size as well. Let's create another text box here for the title. Let's type ball possession. Middle align. Set the font type and the font size as well. Now let's create this shape, this one, and you can drag your mouse to create it, and you can adjust the corners from the yellow bubble. Now when you're done, you can right click on the shape. Now click on edit points, and you can right click on the points and click on open path. Now you can delete it by holding the control key plus left mouse click, or you can right click on the point and select delete. Let's remove the shape fill. Now right click on the line, and you can go to format shape, then add gradient line. Now let's delete this by dragging it out of the line like that, and keep this at 50%. Now you can recolor them. Now for this last one, let's choose this color. Let's add transparency. First, let's add the direction like that. Now let's add transparency to these two. 50% for this one, like that. Now you can do the same with the other one as well, like this. Now let's create, or let's insert a picture of a ball here. Now for this ball, I downloaded it from google.com. Now when we're done, we can create this shape. Drag your mouse to create it, like that. Now you can add the same gradient line. Let's delete this. Let's change the colors. Now let's add transparency for this one. Let's add 50%. 100% for this one. Now let's change the direction as well, like that. Now let's add gradient fill. Now for the fill, let's add 80% here, and for this one, let's add 50% transparency. Now you can do the same for the other one as well, like this. Now let's keep a content here. First, let's create a circle. Now let's change the color to white and remove the outline, and we can insert the Portugal flag. Now resize it and make it smaller. You can keep it like this. Now let's keep content here, like that. Now we can do the same for the other one as well, like that. Now what we need to do here is keep content here, and these are the percentages of the possession. Now let's go to format shape and add transparency for both the fonts. Now let's keep the picture of the captains of the teams here. Now for these pictures, I've downloaded them from Google as well. Let's place them here, and when we're done, we can create this shape, a rounded rectangle at the bottom. Now let's adjust the corners from the yellow bubble. Now for this one, let's remove the shape fill and add a white outline. Now let's go to format shape and add transparency to the outline and reduce the width as well. Now let's create this shape. Let's rotate it. Make sure that it's the same size. Now adjust the corners from the yellow bubble, and since it's 66%, let's drag it like this. Now duplicate it, and as for this one, let's keep it like this. Now let's recolor them. First let's remove the outline, then we can recolor them. Keep this one as blue, like that. Now let's go to format shape and add transparency to both the shapes. Now let's add content here as well, the percentages like this. Now what we need to do here is group the picture and the number here. Same with this one. You can group them. Same with these. Like that. Now let's duplicate our slide here. Now on your first slide, you can drag these out of the slide like this. Same with this one, and same with this one as well. Now let's drag the title to the middle like this, and we can rotate the ball picture as well. Now let's drag this shape here. Let's drag it to the top and group it, and you can adjust the size. Let's keep these the same size like that, and as for the text, you can go to format object and you can click on no fill. Now when you're done, you can select your second slide and go to transition and click on the morph transition, and just like that your slide is done.